Hey everyone! What if your car suddenly refuses to shift gears or the clutch pedal feels completely unresponsive? Imagine being stuck in traffic, unable to change gears. Frustrating, right? If your car has triggered the P0820 clutch position sensor circuit malfunction code, it means there's an issue with the system that detects your clutch pedal position. Ignoring this could lead to dangerous driving conditions. In this video, we'll break down what P0820 means, its symptoms, causes, and most importantly, where to find the key sensors to fix it. Let's dive in. The P0820 trouble code indicates a fault in the clutch position sensor circuit. This sensor tells the vehicle's computer when the clutch pedal is pressed, ensuring smooth shifting and proper engine operation. If this circuit fails, the car may struggle to engage gears properly. Difficulty shifting gears in manual transmission. Clutch pedal feels unresponsive or stuck. Engine may not start. Some vehicles require the clutch pedal to be pressed to start, reduced power or limp mode activation, and check engine light is on. If these issues sound familiar, let's locate the faulty components. Clutch position sensor, located near the clutch pedal, typically on the clutch master cylinder or pedal bracket. Clutch master cylinder and slave cylinder. Near the firewall, connected to the clutch pedal via hydraulic line. Transmission control module. Near the transmission or under the dashboard, uses clutch position data to control gear engagement. Wiring harness and connectors. Transfer electrical signals for clutch operation. Clutch safety switch. On the clutch pedal assembly, ensures the car only starts when clutch is pressed. Faulty clutch position sensor, worn out or broken, failing to send correct signals. Malfunctioning master or slave cylinder. Hydraulic failure prevents proper clutch operation. Damaged wiring or connectors, corroded or broken wires cause signal loss. Step 1. Test the clutch position sensor using a multimeter to check for proper signal output. Replace if faulty. Step 2. Inspect the clutch master and slave cylinders. Check for leaks or pressure loss. Step 3. Check wiring and connectors for loose or damaged connections. Step 4. Scan the TCM and ECM using an obd2 scanner to check for additional error codes. Step 5. Test the clutch pedal switch. Adjust or replace if not detecting pedal movement. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive after repairs. The P0820 trouble code can make shifting gears difficult, and even prevent your car from starting. By inspecting the clutch position sensor, hydraulic components, and wiring, you can diagnose and fix the problem before it worsens. Watch these related videos next. P0506 and P0507, idle control system codes. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car diagnostics.